Hi everyone, welcome to Sachii Online Academy. This is Ezekiel, guys. If you are new to this channel, guys, just click the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell, guys. And if you are already if you are already subscribed to this channel, guys, just if you watch this video that I've made for you guys. So guys, in this video, guys, we are going to talk about the visibility or the visibility mode, guys, or the access modifiers, guys, in Java, guys. So firstly, guys, I'm going to talk about the source file declaration rules, guys. How are you going to declare your source file before you write your code, guys? Before you do anything, how are you going to declare your source file? And then after that, guys, we dive into the visibility mode, guys, or access modifiers in Java. Okay. So you have to know that there can be only one public class per source code file, guys. For each and every source code file, guys, we only need a single public class or one public class, guys. And also you have to know that if there is a public class in a file, the name of the file must match the name of the public class, which means the name of your source file must match also the name of the public class, which means the public class will have the name of the source file, guys. So this is why you see that way. If you try to change the public class name when you created the project, guys, you see that it will produce an error there, which means you have to actually update the file name also, or the source file name. Okay, so a file can have more than one non-public class, guys. You have to know that also you can have more than one non-public class, guys. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to declare a source file, guys. So let's go to our Eclipse, guys, and then let me say file, new Java project. And here, guys, I'm going to type the project name, and this will be actually the folder, guys. So here I'm going to say access mode fires, okay, something like this, guys. And then I will say finish, guys, and then it will be creating our project. And then after that, guys, I'm going to create our source file, or our source file, guys. Wow, what have I done, guys? All right, new not Java project. I want to create a new class here. Okay, I'm going to create a new class, and this class, guys, is going to include my main method, and it is going to be the source file, guys, for our project, guys. So here is the source folder, or the package folder, guys. The package name, guys, here I'm going to say access modifiers, but no, the name that I'm going to write here, let me put test, okay, and then package it to use the default package, guys, the folder that we already have here, guys, is access modifiers. And then this one, guys, will be our source file with the name test, and it will be test.java, guys. And then here I'm going to include the the main method, guys, and then I will say finish. Okay, come on, and you see here, guys, we've got public class, guys, and then with the name test, guys, this name must be test. Why? Because here you see our source file is test.java, so the name of the source file, or of the source file, guys, must be actually equal, must be the same as the name of the public class. Okay, if you try to change here and put something like this, okay, you see here, guys, we have an error here. The public type k must be defined in its own file. Why? Because this source file is what? Is a test. So here it must be test like this. Okay, so our error is gone. And then after this, guys, so let's talk about the access modifiers, guys. So class declaration and the modifiers, guys. I was actually explaining how a class looks like and how do you declare a class, guys, and I think we have already managed to declare our class, guys. So the following code is the bare bones class declaration, and also this code compiles just fine, compiles just fine, but you can also add modifiers before the class declaration. You see here, guys, we have got, you can just create a class, just like say class my class, just like this, guys, but also you can put the modifier here or the visibility mode. So modifiers fall into two categories of the access modifiers and the non-access modifiers. And on access modifiers we have got a public keyword, protected keyword, and a private keyword. And on non-access modifiers we have got the including strict FP, and then the final and the abstract, guys. But for today we're going to do only access modifiers. Okay, and then here access control in Java is a little tricky because there are 4 access controls. Like here we have got 3 that we have seen here, guys: the public, protected, and the private. But we also have the package level, which is the default when you actually declare your class just like this with the without the public keyword or protected or private. Okay, and then here a package is a namespace. Okay, this is a package is a namespace that organizes a set of related classes and interface. Conceptually, you can think of packages as being similar to different folders on your computer. This one will be a folder which will be actually find your source file, guys. And then class access. Okay, what does it mean to access a class? To access a class, when we say code from one class or class A has the access to another class B, it means class A can do one of 3 things. Either class A can create an instance of class B, which is an object of class B. Also, it can extend class B, which means it can inherit from class B, and then access certain methods and variables within class B, which means it can also access the members of class B depending on the access control of those methods and variables. Okay, so here, guys, you see, in effect, access means visibility. If class A can't see class B, the access level of the methods and variables within class B won't matter. Class A won't have any way to access those methods and variables. You see here, guys, the visibility, we say if A can't see class B, which means they are not seeing each other. Class A is not seeing the class B, which means we cannot access the members of class B using class A, guys. Okay, so the default access, guys, I've already told you that the default access is when you declare a class, guys, just like this, guys. Here, guys, just to say class default, let me put it, let me just say default access, guys. Just like this, guys, when you declare a class just like this, guys, this is a default access level. Why? Because we didn't put public here or protected here or what, which means this is a package level, which means each and every class in this package, guys, can access this class. Okay, or can actually use the contents of this class here. So the default access, or just think it as a package level access, because a class with the default access can be seen only by classes within the same package. Okay, so for example, if class A and class B are in different packages and the class A has default access, class B won't be able to create an instance of class A or even declare a variable or return type of class A. What does this mean, guys? If we have got a class here, this one is class A, and we have got another class here or in this package or in this folder, guys, which means the class B here, guys, the class A, this one, we will not be able to actually access the members of the class in here. Why? Because it is the default level, the package level, guys. Only class in the same package, guys, can actually access each other's data by using the default level. Okay, and then we are going on to the public access. So a class declaration with the public keyword gives all classes from all packages access to the public class. In other words, all classes in the Java universe have access to a public class. So if you mark your class public, you have to know that any class, guys, in any package can access that class. But you have to know that if they are in different packages, guys, you need also to import that class. But if they are in the same package, guys, and then you mark it public, which means any class in that package can access that class. Okay, like this, guys. You see here, guys, if I create an object here, no, not like that. Here I can create an object here, test t must be initialized to new test, then something like this. You see here, guys, I've managed to create an object, guys, or an instance, guys, of this class, guys. You see here, guys, I've managed to create an object of this class, guys, but I've created that object in the default access class, guys, which means, guys, if any class is marked public, we can access its contents, guys, in any other class in the same package. Okay, but if you want to access this class from this package, you have to import this class, guys. But it is also possible, guys, to access the class with the public, guys. And what if the class is marked private, guys? Which means if the class is marked private, guys, it will be only accessed, you cannot inherit from that class, guys. And also if it is marked protected, it seems like the package level, guys, if it is marked protected. Okay, so guys, I have to say thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, guys, just click the like button, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, guys, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification from this channel, guys. Thank you for supporting this channel, guys.